How to create Clash Royale deck. If you want to build the perfect Clash Royale deck, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. You have to go to the Cards tab and tap on one of your deck slots to start customizing. Pick a win condition. This is the main way you are dealing damage. Example include Hog Rider, Balloon or Giant. Then include super cards like Musketeers and Baby Dragon to help you maintain attackers. Then add defensive cards such as Cannon, Inferno Towers and Tornado to counter enemy push. Make sure your deck has a good elixir balance. Avoid making it too expensive. Aim for an average accelerator cost of 3 to 4 for smooth gameplay. Try your deck in friendly battles or classic challenges. If it does not work well, swap cards and adjust your strategy. And that's it. Now you know how to create a strong Clash Royale deck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.